Krista Moser here. Today I get to do something a little bit different. What we're doing this week is actually an auction for charity where I get to put everything that I've made throughout the year up for auction. This gives me motivation to finish things and get them off my plate, and hopefully it gives you an opportunity to purchase something for a gift or for yourself, and you get one of my own creations. So many of these came from blogs and or just demos that I did throughout the year. So we'll start with some of the pillows. This was a recent blog, actually, the poinsettia pillow, 16-inch pillow form, not the actual pillow inside, but just the cover. This is another blog that we did, the double Dresden, also a 16-inch pillow, just the cover. Going up for auction, we've got the shamrock, the chenille shamrock from earlier this year, another 16-inch pillow cover. This, I think, is an 18 or 20-inch pillow cover from the Heart Cookies quilt. So one of those blocks turned into a pillow. This is a bench pillow I did in a blog using these little hexy flowers, kind of a 4th of July summer theme. That's a good little bench pillow. This is a bench pillow as well, or at least the cover anyway, from Valentine's Day using embroidery floss. One of the blogs we did. And we have some table runners, so we have these little mini wreaths that I put buttons on for my holly berries. We've got one of the recent blogs for the spider web. That block was really fun, came out cute. Then we've got the carrots from earlier this year with their fuzzy tops. That's a great little table runner. We've got the scrappy hearts from a blog earlier this year. Pink hearts and facing different directions. Hollow Star table runner, 4th of July version, or good for summer. Got another Hollow Star table runner in a nice neutral palette, so maybe that's more your style. That's going up for auction. How about the Sunny Scraps table runner? So this came out as one of the free patterns, and I had to make a second sample. So here we go, going up for auction. Got a couple of zip pouches. This is a 4th of July one that I did for a paper pieced block. It has a zipper in the top and a little lanyard on it to hang on to. And then this little zip pouch that I used with bias tape. So that's a good little thing to keep your valuables in. And then we've got some baby quilts. So this was 2 Cuts to Magic, just the blue disappearing 9-patch block using striped fabric. A good baby quilt, backed in flannel. We've got a tree skirt. This is the gilded Christmas tree skirt. Kind of my Dr. Seuss variety, the red and the green. So that's going up for auction. We've got hexy hot air balloons, another little baby quilt with these cute little hexagons as hot air balloons, and a flannel backing. We've got Percy the Penguin. Said Percy the Penguin earlier this year, so this is a second sample that I had to make while teaching a class, so that's going up for auction. Great baby quilt or a lap size quilt. It's a pretty good size for a baby quilt. We've got 1611 Union Street. This is the wall size from the pattern, so a nice wall lap size. This one is the Scrappy Lifesaver blocks that I did as a blog earlier this year. So a good lap size, baby size quilt. How about we've got Heart Cookies. So this is the baby size Heart Cookies in the turquoise and red from the pattern. We've got Flutter by Frolic. This is the wall size, baby size, lap size Flutter by Frolic from the pattern, 1 butterfly and 6 different flowers, and it's backed in flannel. We have the Wreath Quilt. This is a wall hanging. It's a pretty good size wall hanging. Might work as a lap size as well, but sampler from the pattern. We have Crimson Christmas. Another sample that I made this year, Crimson Christmas. So this is the regular size from the pattern in the exact same colors as the pattern. So if that's something you've been wanting, well, here's your opportunity. And we've got Honeycomb Hexagon. This is the lap size from the pattern, using striped fabric as the accent in here, and it too is backed in flannel. And then we've got Lollipops and Licorice. This is the lap twin size from the pattern, so it's pretty good size. It's also backed in flannel, and from the original from the pattern. So that's that. And then of course the quilt behind me, this is Vintage Windmill in a Christmas variety of fabrics. It's going up for auction. So all of these items are going to be on Facebook, and they're all listed under their picture. And then the bidding starts as you just comment under each picture. They start at $5. So you can bid away, but we're just going to put everything on Facebook in its own album, and you can bid by commenting and outbidding each other. And this goes through today through Tuesday at 2 p.m. And so I will put a link to this Facebook album in the description box to this video so you can see the auction items. And like I said, everything is going to charity. So whatever we bring in for all of these samples throughout the year, it goes straight to charity for a Christmas charity that I like to support. There's more details in the blog today, so if you want to see those, it's at KristaMoser.com, and the Facebook is Krista Moser on Facebook. So we'll put those links for you. I hope you enjoy. I hope you think there's something here worth bidding on, and let the bidding begin.